Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel that covers a lot of Mitsubishi and Outlander stuff. Today we'll have a look at this. It's the Outlander 2022 ES base model. So this is what it starts with. This is how they look, and then goes up from there with different upgrades, exterior looks, interior options, wheels and everything else. But this is what it comes with. So this is how it looks. We'll cover some stuff that comes in standard, from stuff that we can see from outside of the vehicle. We'll look at the interior. This is Canadian version. Different markets, US, Australia, they have a little bit different. New Zealand, a little bit different trim level names and stuff that comes standard. I believe in US it can be front wheel drive. In Canada we can get only as a super all-wheel control that comes in standard. So let's check out the front first. So the LED headlamps and LED running lights, that comes standard with any of them. All of them will have that. So the headlamps are here with the high beam, and these are just the daytime running lights. All of them are LEDs. Now there's a couple safety features that come in standard as well. Forward mitigation system. So basically, if you drive too fast, you don't see the vehicle in front of you slowing down or stopping, the vehicle is going to alert you and apply emergency brake if need to be. Lane departure warning. If you're departing from your lane without turning signals, the vehicle is gonna warn you. It also has a blind spot information system. So this triangle right here is gonna light up and give you a warning if you're changing the lanes and there's a car in your blind spot area. That all is standard as well. Of course, 18-inch alloy wheels. So these are standard wheels, same wheels you have on the SE trim level as well. So ES and SE will give you the same wheels. In Canada, if you move to LE and up, they'll have different rims. So two choices for wheels. Of course, you can do all kinds of upgrades. I've done off-road edition upgrade out of this white ES as well. You can see that on the on my channel as well. So another cool thing this one has, it has rear auto braking. So if you're backing up, then basically what will happen if you're backing up and there's car or somebody walking or bicycle or something in your path, the vehicle is going to stop on its own. Low speeds, of course, but it will do that for you. If we look at interior, that's how the entry-level interior looks. I still like how it looks. Even the cloth interior is very nice looking cloth interior. You have this white stitching right here that gives you a little bit of this contrast thing, and the seat itself, you can see how this part here has a little bit different pattern than the outer edges. This all makes it look not base, but looks nice and sporty. And inside, of course, all the knobs and whatnot, they have these chrome, they're like chrome looking, very sporty looking knobs. I like that a lot. So we have heated seats here as a standard equipment as well. So we can see these buttons here. Windshield wiper de-icer, another cool thing that it has. So if we look at the windshield, underneath the wipers right here is these de-icing lines. We kind of can see them here if we look hard enough under the water. So basically what happens if there's a frost on your windshield, the second you click that button, it heats them up and de-ices your windshield wipers so you don't damage them in the winter time. Another thing is push to start button right there. It's standard, so every Outlander has it now. It's kind of no big deal at this point in the automotive industry. Almost all the vehicles have it. Very nice graphic LCD screen. You have that in standard as well. The steering wheel is really nice, thick, perforated steering wheel. I like it a lot. So it gives you this like nice thick feel. Very sporty, very solid feel when you drive it. USB outlets, nice screen. I believe it's 8-inch. If you move up couple trim levels, then the size increases as well. In the back, let's have a look how back of the vehicle looks. I folded these seats down so you can see how the entire trunk space looks. We're gonna fold the trunk up. By the way, this Outlander has 11 airbags. That's a lot. Very safe car. It received very good safety ratings as well. And 7 seats is standard on this. You can see it right there is the third row seat. I'll be doing a video as well on just reviewing on how easy it is to get in and out of that. This is for the headrest and cargo cover if you don't need it. And let's have a look how easy it is to fold those seats up. Oh, you gotta move the driver's seat a little bit forward, and then it's very easy to move them up. Okay, release it. And you can choose to fold this part down or that part as well, so folds quite easily, and then it slides here as well. So there is this grab bar, so to speak. You can pull that and adjust them. So let's say you need more space to get in and out of third row, or maybe you have something larger to put in a trunk. You can easily adjust the recline setting on here, or you can slide the entire seat front and back. Pretty cool thing to have, pretty convenient. And then you can also open the hood right here. Hood releases here. We'll check out what's going on underneath the hood. Okay, I'll hold it with my hand, but basically you have the prop rod right here, and then you can manually have to fix the hood so it doesn't drop on you. But this is how the engine looks like. It's a 4-cylinder engine, only one engine and transmission option on all of them. You don't get to choose, it is what it is. This one is 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter with 181 horsepower. Soon there will be the PHEV version, the plug-in hybrid version. Everybody is excited to see that. And this one here is the capless fuel on your Outlander. This is new to the 2022. It was never like that on the previous one. So basically you just stick the nozzle in, fill up the gas, and that's it. You don't need to remove the caps anymore. It's done for you very easily. Manually you have to close the tailgate, manual close. No automatic buttons on the ES trim level. So that's that. So there we go. This is the ES Outlander. Looks quite nice, has all the chrome details, looks really good in white particularly. It contrasts well with black elements of the vehicle, so the tinted windows, the black plastic, I like that a lot. On the front, let's check out the front real quick. Same thing, checks out really well with all the chrome elements on the vehicle. One thing to note though, if you're planning to have like a kayaks or bikes or snowboards or anything like that on the roof, the ES trim level does not come with roof rails. So if you want to put some type of crossbars, it's probably worth to upgrade to the SC trim level. Then it comes with those crossbars from the factory. Otherwise, it's possible to install them. I think it costs about 800 bucks or so to install them. Then you need the crossbars as well. But to upgrade from ES to SC is just over $2,600. So if you're spending already 800 bucks on installing these roof rails, then might as well upgrade to the SC, and then you'll get sunroof, you'll get the power tailgate, you'll get the keyless entry, phone charging, wireless phone charging, and some other goodies with the SC. I made a video, by the way, what you can get ES to SC upgrade and how much it costs and what exactly you'll get to it if you get for it if you do the upgrade. So you can check that video on my YouTube channel as well. So okay, thank you for watching so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. A like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more videos like these about the Outlander, news on Mitsubishi, different cars, different models, color options, and everything else. Thanks for watching, and on to the next one.